Good morning, guys. Welcome to America. We're headed to Ocean City just to get away for a couple days. Since the snow's not coming to us, we're gonna go to where the snow's at. Since this is Marvik's first time of getting, I think, more than 6 inches of snow, so they're calling for maybe 6 to 8 inches plus, but who knows? Maybe it's going to be 4, maybe it's going to be a foot. So anyhow, stay tuned.
But they said 9 inches.
Yeah, 9 inches.
In Ocean City today.
So
well,
usually on these
see.
type nor'easters, usually they're pretty close on those. So let's see what happens. Lily, where are you going at? Are you going to Natalie's house?
Daddy talking to you.
Lily, are you going to doggy daycare?
Lily.
You want to spend some time with your friends?
Her friends
Lily?
and her family
Oh, I think
too.
you're camera shy. Like your mommy.
Lily, say hi. Hi, YouTuber. Don't forget to like,
Like and subscribe.
subscribe, and share.
I think right now we're up to about 3 million subscribers.
Say hi.
No, actually, I'm just joking. I don't think we have 3.
We have 3 subscribers.
Where are you going at Natalie's?
Someone's excited.
Oh, don't show so much emotion, Lily. All right. All right, guys, we're here at the Hilton Hotel in Ocean City. Gorgeous view out here. Look at the sun. It's hard to believe they're calling for 8 to 12 inches of snow this evening. Beautiful view. Beautiful hotel. This is the lobby here up on the 9th floor. So our room here is actually 911, so not so sure what's up with that, but I don't have a problem with it. So here's our living room here. A little sitting area, couch, sofa couch. Nice room. Modernized, you can tell it's been updated. This is the kitchen, little kitchenette here. Kitchen cabinets, dishwasher, microwave, fridge, sink. Bathroom here. Jacuzzi tub. Here we have, look who we have here. Look who we have here.
Hi everyone. Hope you like our videos.
So she actually is the one that booked this room here, and she.
Yeah, and I really love it.
Yeah.
It's not that too cheap and it's not that too expensive. I mean, only like minimum, just minimum, you know.
So I'm not sure what's up to 2 queen beds here, but what's up to 2 queen beds?
Huh?
Why not 1 king?
Because the room that we want to book with 1 king is not available. So
Are you sticking with that one? Okay. So
for now,
another TV here for the $1 million view, and this is what you pay for. Ocean front. It's actually a little bit past the boardwalk. The boardwalk is ends not too far from here, right about there. This is a pool right here. Actually, they have a pool here, and then they have another pool, looks like over here. I'm trying to put the camera down too much, so I don't want the camera to fall. Anyhow, this room is a good rate here. Honestly, it's got a kitchenette, so if you're gonna bring some food and do your own cooking, save you some money on eating out, probably not as bad as you think it is, because food's not cheap to eat out. So overall, pretty beautiful room. So far, I give it 5 stars.
So what can you say about
How
me?
many?
Because I'm the one choosing this room.
Oh, I'm the vlogger. I'm the one that asked the questions. So what can you say about this room?
Very recommendable for all the family, for all the couple that they want to vacation here on Ocean City. I can say Hilton Hotel is the best, and you should have here.
Okay.
But that means okay.
All right, guys. I just want to post this video on here, so I'm gonna post some more videos. I'm not really looking for start a big monetary gain off of YouTube. Just want to document some of our trips and just have some fun with it. And then if it can help somebody else, I know I went on YouTube to look at some of these videos for this particular room, and I couldn't find too many, or at least not detailed ones. So if this can help you out, then watch this video. Like I said, this room wasn't too expensive. I think maybe with taxes and everything, I think only probably about $150 a night. But if you stay here on season, you're going to probably end up spending, I would say, probably the minimum of $400 to $500 a night for the one with the kitchenette. All right, guys.
Kitchen and balcony.
Yeah. All right, guys. Take care. See you on the next one. At Ocean City now. We're on two vloggers at once. We're on the boardwalk here. It's a little bit early. I'm guessing about 11 o'clock, 12. All these stores are going to be open. Maybe we can get a ice cream and a funnel cake right there. Haha. Wouldn't that be nice?
Hotel, the store are all closed.
Surprisingly enough, there's people on the boardwalk here.
Where are you going?
All you have to do is just imagine it's springtime. Not so cold today. Doesn't feel so cold. 31 degrees today. I recommend anybody who hasn't been down to Ocean City during winter time, make your way down here. I don't have to worry about 50 people around me spreading germs. Just a peaceful atmosphere, laid back atmosphere.